Okay.
Okay, so Simon, so we've had 3 coaching sessions so far. So I just wondered if you could just talk about well, how the coaching's been for you and how you've benefited it from and so on.
Yes. So far so good, I must say. I find it very productive. Obviously, it's early days, and I need to work on stuff myself to achieve my goals. But yes, it's the 3rd session, and as you may remember, Keith, my first session, I was a bit lost. You know, I knew what I wanted. You know, I need to build this property portfolio, but you know, I was all over the place, you know, meaning that, okay, what about mortgages? What about properties? What about the hotspots? What about this? But I feel like after these 3 sessions that I've got a sense of direction. I feel like, especially with the plan of action that we've been doing or just done, I can focus. I can know that I need to do A, B, C, and D to get to a certain point. And once I get there, then I can move on. So it takes time, obviously, but I strongly feel that I'm in a better position to achieve my goal, which is building a property portfolio of at least 10 properties within the next couple of years. Yeah, I'm very grateful. It's been very helpful. I feel that I'm moving in the right direction. And so yeah, the credit goes to you, Keith, for reaching out to me and giving me that sense of direction. And so I'm very grateful indeed. And also I'd encourage anybody out there who may be in a situation like me. You know, you are lost. You have either you have the money to invest in properties or do this business, or you don't have the money, you know, and you need someone to hold you by the hand and give you the direction. Yes, I would recommend Keith anytime. Not that I'm just saying it just for the sake of it, but I genuinely mean it. You know, I feel like I've got that sense of direction, which I was lacking. And now I do have belief. I do believe that with his help, with his support, the next, few months, the next few years, I will achieve my dreams. I have that belief right now. I'm very optimistic. I'm very hopeful. I'm moving in the right direction, and I can't thank him enough. So I'd recommend him anytime, anytime. Thank you.